Here I've got Vodafone Smart for Macs, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have. Let me find English, UK, and then tap on Next. Here you can insert your SIM card if you have one. I will do it later, you can also do it later, so let me tap on Skip. Now you can enable data service and data roaming, but I will pick just the first one. Now it's time to connect to your Wi-Fi. It's HardReset.Info, connect. And if you have a Google account, just click on yes to log in with yours, and if no, you can click on no and then create a new one. But let me, yes, I've got mine, and my email address is HardReset.Info. info1@gmail.com. Then enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it's done, click on Next. Tap on OK to agree with all the terms of usage, terms of Google service, and wait a couple of seconds. Now you can enable some Google services, for example, backup, location, communication, and all the others. You can also unclick some of them simply like that and then tap on Next. Here you can set up your payment info, but I will skip it. And now you can enter the username to personalize some apps, so it will stay like it is. So hard reset, click on Next, finished, and wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see now, your Vodafone is saying hello, so welcome, make yourself at home, thank you, click on Next. Here we've got some quick instruction, organize your space, okay, dismiss, and that's it. From now on, you can start using your device, set up some wallpaper, add some contacts, and all the others. So that would be it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.